Hello everyone, Sub-010 here. Today we're gonna do Saw! Dun dun dun. Now we're just gonna cut down a Christmas tree. I thought it'd be fun to record this because it's almost Christmas. Yet it's in November. Yeah. So basically, we're still searching. My group is over there, and yeah, we still haven't found any good trees. But if you look over there, turn the camera there. There's a flag, and if you turn there, there's another flag. You know, if we rent this place out, we can play capture the flag and make that a video.
Hey guys.
Is the end of the video, sorry. Okay, so basically like 22 hours later we got back to my grandparents' house, and yeah, we got 3 trees. One in the trunk, another one in the same car, and another one in the same car. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you have, please like, subscribe, only if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video.